Experiencing only half of your LG UltraWide monitor displaying an image? This often stems from picture-by-picture mode being unintentionally activated, incorrect cable connections, or scaling mismatches between your computer and the monitor. Picture-by-picture mode allows multiple inputs to display side by side. If activated accidentally, it splits the screen, showing only half the content. Incorrect or faulty cables can cause bandwidth drops, leading to half-screen display. Ensure compatible HDMI 2.0 or higher, or DisplayPort 1.4 or higher cables. Scaling mismatches occur when operating system or GPU settings don't match the monitor's native resolution, causing splits. Adjust display settings accordingly. We'll guide you through troubleshooting these common causes to restore your full display. PBP mode splits your screen to display content from multiple sources side by side. If you're using only one input, disabling PBP is the first step to fix half-screen display issues. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu using buttons on the monitor itself. Navigate to the game or function settings and locate the PBP option. Set PBP to off or PIP if you intend to use only a single input source. Ultrawide monitors require high bandwidth cables like HDMI 2.2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 Plus to display their full resolution, such as 3440 by 1440 at 75 Hz. Ensure your cable is securely connected to both your monitor and computer. If possible, test with a known good cable that meets the required specifications. Faulty or outdated cables can cause bandwidth limitations, resulting in a half-screen display. Also check for bent pins on the connectors. Mismatched scaling or resolution settings in your operating system can cause a half-screen issue on LG UltraWide monitors. In Windows, navigate to Settings, then Display, and Scale and Layout. Ensure the scale is set to 100% or the recommended value, and the display resolution matches your monitor's native resolution, such as 3440 by 1440. For macOS, similar settings are available under System Preferences and Displays. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can lead to display problems like half-screen issues on your LG UltraWide monitor. To fix this, visit your GPU manufacturer's website, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Then download and install the latest drivers specifically for your graphics card model. For a clean installation, it's recommended to uninstall the old drivers first using a display driver uninstaller like DDU, and do this in safe mode to avoid conflicts. If the half-screen issue persists after trying basic fixes, boot your computer into safe mode. This loads Windows with only essential drivers, helping identify if a driver conflict is causing the problem. Check for firmware updates on the LG support website. These updates often fix display issues, like half-screen problems. If you've tried all software fixes and cable replacements without success, the problem is likely hardware-related. This could be a faulty scaler chip inside the monitor or a damaged input port. In these cases, reach out to LG customer support or visit an authorized service center. Also, verify your warranty coverage, as hardware defects are typically covered under warranty. LG is introducing smart scaling in newer models like the 2025 35NN73C to automatically adjust for resolution mismatches, reducing half-screen issues by 40%. Keep your monitor firmware updated to improve auto detection and error correction. LG's recent updates enhance compatibility with Windows and other systems. Consider universal ports like USB-C with DisplayPort alternate mode for seamless connections, handling data, power, and video efficiently. As multi-monitor setups increase by 25% in gaming and work-from-home scenarios, ensure your system and cables support the combined bandwidth requirements. Looking ahead, AI-assisted firmware by 2027 and OLED ultrawides with adaptive refresh rates may eliminate manual fixes, while HDMI 3.0 could address cable limitations for diverse aspect ratios.